In this video, I will explain you how to approach a guest complaint. Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, whenever you are watching this video. This is AB from the Restaurant Academy. A complaint is every part of a business, and the restaurant industry has their own share as well. Some complaints can be funny, the spaghetti is too short, or the drink is too strong. But some complaints can be genuine, like the soup is cold or the meat is not cooked properly. AB golden tricks before every complaint. There is no I. You work in a team and everyone is working together, and make sure that you don't say, oh, it was his fault or it was her fault. Second point is your superpower. You should know your company terms and conditions. Means you should know if a product or a item that you are selling in a restaurant, are you allowed to give it back to the kitchen and save for a new one? Can you give guests a discount or have to seek permission from the manager? The third point is language power. This is my best trick and it works like bread and butter. If your colleague can speak the native language of the guest, it will help a lot. Language is the biggest tool in the business or any other industry. The complaint time or the action time. It has been divided into four parts: listen, apologize, solution or solve, and last, thank you. The first sentence for any conversation with the guest is, how may I help you or how may I assist you? Try to avoid the word assist, as the non-native speaker might not be able to understand it. The first part of every complaint is listen. When you are listening to the guest problem, please don't look left or right. Just look straight into his eyes and try to understand his problem. After listening to his problem, you can say, sir or ma'am, I would like to confirm. Second step is apologize. Just say, I am extremely sorry for the inconvenience. The third step for every complaint is the solution. I am going to, or please give me a moment and I will check with my manager. Make sure you explain to your manager or supervisor everything. You don't want to repeat in front of the guest the same thing. If you repeat the same thing in front of the guest, it can lead to a big chaos. The last step is thank you. Always thanks the guest for letting you know about the problem. Always remember that one happy guest will bring 10 guests, but one pissed guest will make sure 100 guests will not come to your restaurant. So please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.